Now to your forecast, boy, you've been hearing it out there much of the night tonight. The thunder and light show that's been going on, still going on right now.
Yeah, usually Mondays are quiet, Kevin. Not so much to start the week tonight.
No, hopefully that means the rest of the week will be a lot quieter for us. So far, most of the rain we've had, I would consider to be beneficial given as dry as we have been. And obviously it's been a stormy evening, lots of lightning and just torrential rain. There we go. Got a nice flash on tower cam from downtown. This is going to go on probably for at least another 3 or 4 hours. I think we're going to have thunder, loud booms and lightning out there. The question is, will it raise to the level of severe concerns here tonight? That's what we're keeping an eye on, okay? We've had a good soaking rain throughout most of the evening thus far. You can see around the 275 loop. If you look to the southwest, this is why I say that lightning is going to pick up in intensity again. So even if there's been a little bit of a lull, there's more coming for sure, and more heavy rainfall too. You got wet weather up through Butler, Warren, Clinton counties, Highland County. Again, none of this has been severe this evening. It's all just kind of been a general soaking rain for the most part. What we're starting to keep an eye on is this activity that's about to cross the Ohio River and the parts of northern Kentucky. In fact, I've been watching a particularly healthy storm here down near the Carrollton area right now. You can see some pretty heavy rainfall about to move out of that particular storm as well. So maybe some flash flooding a possibility as well out of some of this activity. So that's the other concern for areas that have picked up repeated rounds, particularly heavy rainfall. I can't rule out the threat for localized areas of flooding as these storms have been moving very, very slowly thus far this evening. That's one area we're keeping an eye on. The other area I'm keeping a close eye on is this primary line of storms that's just now reaching the Indianapolis area. Has a number of severe thunderstorm warnings on it, has at least 2 tornado warnings on it as well. We're going to have to watch this closely here because along I-65 and west, the environment is still very favorable for severe weather. Here in the metro and across a good part of the tri-state, if you've stepped out, we've got these strong kind of cool easterly winds blowing. So it will be a battle between the line coming in from the west and more stable air being drawn into the line of storms as it moves in our direction. So what I anticipate to happen over the next couple of hours is a general weakening trend as this moves our way. How fast that occurs, that's what remains to be seen here. So that's what we'll have to keep an eye on as the threat for severe weather could potentially increase over the next 1 to 2, maybe 3 hours. So let me show you how this plays out here. Here's all the action. Again, without severe weather, it's still going to be noisy, probably till about 3 a.m. for most of us. Let me show you how this plays out. Here we go. Showers and storms. There's your line that I was showing you with the severe warnings along it. Watch what happens as it continues to march its way east. You see how the northern half of that kind of falls apart? That's because our environment's a little less favorable. Line still pretty intense, though, south of the Ohio River. So we'll see how this plays out. Here's a look at 2 a.m., take you to 3 a.m. By 3 a.m., most of us are in the clear of severe weather, even if rain and some rumbles of thunder linger, probably till about 4 or so. And then by the time we get into Tuesday, we're back into some pretty nice weather tomorrow with sunshine expected during the afternoon. So basically, the next 12 hours, I left your weather impact icons up there as temperatures kind of hold in the 60s for now. We're at 62 degrees. There's that east wind. And again, that wind is coming from more stable air, so that is helping us out. The question is, will it be enough, though? Temperatures around 60 for most of us. That's pretty much where we will spend the rest of the night. 62, downpour, storm, some heavy, potentially severe there. We'll keep an eye on it. I'll be here through the night until Randy comes in. We'll keep a close eye on everything. Breezy and drier, 73 for your high tomorrow. Can still hear the loud rumbles of thunder right now as I'm talking. There's a look at your 7-day forecast. All right, 63 Wednesday. That's our next weather impact day with another round of rain. The real story after the storms, Mike and Cherie, is the chilly air that's moving in here for early May. In fact, highs this weekend. It's a busy weekend, only in the 50s and 60s. But Sunday morning, overnight lows could be within a handful of degrees of the freezing mark.
Yes, going to be chilly. All right.